We'll synchronize. Hey guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for choosing to watch this channel. Guys, as you know, Christmas is around the corner, and when Christmas comes, you know we are going to meet family and we are going to cook a lot of food, and we're going to cook a lot of different kinds of food. And when you're going to cook, your house or wherever your home is going to be smelling like different kinds of food. But today, Umoto Lifestyle is going to give you a secret how you are going to make your house smelling fabulous, amazing. You know, it's like you're in somewhere in a luxury, a 5-star hotel, okay? So I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna make your house smelling like you're in a luxury hotel by using this concentrated formula here. They call it Fabulous. Look at that. It's called Fabulous. I don't know where you come from, but for me, I say Fabulous. So it's purplish in color. And you can find this concentration in a department store where they sell detergents. You can find it there. You can even find it in a dollar store, but it's going to be in a small container. I got this so big old from a department store they call here in the US Costco. That's where I got mine from. And it's a 2 times concentrated formula. It's a long-lasting freshener. That's how they call it. This thing, you can use it when you're washing your clothes. You can use it when you're mopping your house or when you're dusting your couch. You can as well use it to boil in the water, which is my main thing today. So as you can see, I have a pot here. This pot, this is my pot. I use this pot to boil eggs, but I decided now to set this pot aside specifically for this formula here. So what I do after cooking, you know, Umoto Lifestyle loves to eat, especially fish. Oh my goodness, when you cook fish, you know what fish can do to your house, your beautiful curtains and everything. Fish is gonna spread everywhere, or you're gonna fry something. They're gonna cooking eggs. The eggs are going to smell the entire house. And my house is a 2-story house, so you can imagine. Sometimes my boys complain like, "Mommy, what are you cooking? Ew." So to cut that out, I discovered this fabulosa. So this fabulosa, what you do, you have to put after cooking, you're done with your cooking and everything, and then maybe you have guests coming. Okay, don't worry, even if the guests are parking outside and they're coming in, all you have to do is to rush and get this top here. You can use any container, but I usually use the top, and I measure 1, 2, or you can put 3 of them. All you have to do is to measure and put it in here. It's purplish in color, guys. Put it in there, and then turn your stove on and put it on the stove. Put it in a low heat so that it can be boiling slowly. So, guys, even now it's smelling really good. The scent here is lavender. So make sure you put it here, put it on top of the stove on a low heat, and let it keep boiling. As it keeps boiling, it keeps spreading the entire house. I tell you, when your guests are going to come to your house, they can't even know you are cooking. They can see fish, everything cooked, but they're like, where were you cooking? Because all they can smell is fabulous. Guys, I tell you, this thing helps me every time. As you know, Umoto Lifestyle, I love to cook, and I have lots of visitors visiting me, family members. We always, you know, cooking, and my house is always smelling, and I'm like, I can't do this anymore. So I had to find something that is going to help me, and I know they have different scents. They have the one they call pine, I think, pine. Yeah, most people use pine. I used to use pine, but I didn't really like the smell of pine so much. I felt like it was strong to me. But this Fabulosa, since I discovered this one, oh my goodness, it's like my house. I'm in somewhere, I don't know where I can say. Where guys do you think? I'm in somewhere sleeping in a 5-star hotel, somewhere far away from my home, enjoying a life. Very expensive, but really the thing that makes my house expensive, or your house is gonna be expensive as well, is this Fabuloso. It's a multi-purpose cleaner and it's purplish in color. I love it. And they tell you how to concentrate. It has all the caution here, make sure you read before you use it, because some family members might not like the scent of lavender. They may like the scent of pine or other different kinds of scents. So you have to really talk with your family, or you boil it and see if your family is loving it. They say wow, or they say eh. So you have to test it by putting it in the stove and let it boil and let your entire house. I tell you, this thing goes the entire house, even my bedrooms, my baby's bedroom, my curtains, everything, even yourself. You come inside the house, my clothes will smell fabulous. There's a time when I go to work, people are like, what do you smell good? It's nothing, it's just fabulous. So I know most of you guys are going to cook, and I didn't just want to let you just like that. I wanted to give you tips how you are going to make your house smell. This thing, when you put here, is going to keep boiling, and after it's boiling, it's going to keep sticking. It's going to be like gummy. When it's like gummy, keep adding water. When you keep adding water and the water still, keeps boiling, until you are satisfied now your house. And this thing, the small, even if you put one of these top here, even if you put one, it goes along the house. So it depends how much your house is. So because my house is a 2-story house, that's why I put a little bit lot, because I want it to go all the way to upstairs. But it depends on how much you want to put. So I thought, why am I just keeping it to myself? Why my house smells good? I want to tell my people, y'all, my supporters, my subscribers, my friends, what smells really good in my house. And y'all are welcome in my house during Christmas, okay? Guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share, and make sure you comment. I love when I read your comments, guys. Let's grow this channel. It's just a channel of motor lifestyle. I enjoy cooking in here. I enjoy doing my logs. I know you guys, you love the content of my logs are growing, and I'll be doing content in a little bit. But now, since it's Christmas, we will start cooking. And I want you guys to go to my channel. There's so many content that you are going to enjoy there. Guys, without further ado, I have some cooking to do in my kitchen, and I have some cleaning to do. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.